Hi there, this is Gosia from OnePageCRM, and I'm going to briefly show you how OnePageCRM works. So let's dive in. OnePageCRM is an action-focused CRM, therefore we start with the actions and completing them and setting them in order. So this is action stream. It's your dashboard. So when you start your day every day, you have your to-do list right in front of you, and you can clearly see what's happening in your company and what you have to do today. So this is a list of all the contacts and all the tasks associated with them, listed per time sensitivity and urgency. If there's a need to make any changes, you can just work from here. This is a dynamic list, so I can see this contact is quite important because it has associated pending deals. Therefore, I move it up, and maybe I just can delay this contact, or maybe I can just move it to today if it's important as well. So this is a great bird's eye view, what's happening in your company. And as I said, you can see the number of pending deals, the size of the account view as well, and what stage is this organization in your sales process. Statuses tags can be added as well for extra segmentations, and you can actually clearly just tap on your filters over here and just bring the segment of contacts that you prefer to work with, and you can combine them and save them as the filters, and they'll be always at your disposal as well, just to access them very quickly. So let's dive in and see what contact profile looks like. So this is a really great focused view of contact at your fingertips. On top of a page, you have all the contact details. We integrate with telephony apps, so you can make your calls directly from a CRM. We also integrate with Gmail or Outlook, so you can actually send emails from CRM as well. With the use on templates, you can increase your efficiency as well. So use a template, update it as you need, or you can also use this integration to send email in bulk. I present it in a minute, but for now, you can decide to send it right now, or you can decide to schedule it to be sent later. As an added bonus, we also enable you to see the email opens, so you can decide, okay, you can actually react quite quickly if someone is interested, and you can just make the follow-up call straight away. A little bit lower here on the contact profile is the next action area. So this is very important because it's all about taking action and completing actions in order to bring you closer to closing the sale. So yes, we encourage you straight away, once you mark the action as complete, do not move on to the next contact and start working with them. But this is the best time to schedule your next action, because you just send a quote, so you know that you need to follow up with the phone call in 2 days' time. Let's schedule it, and that's it. You can move on to the next contact. If at any time you need to reference the previous notes, we keep a timeline, which is basically history of all your interactions. All the notes from the important calls or meetings are placed here, as well as summary of the deals that you won in the past and currently working on as well. We also store the emails, so we sync the emails from your mailbox, not only for yourself, but also for your team members. So if there's more people involved in working with specific contacts, all the emails will be stored in the same place, just directly with your contact profile. As an added bonus, you can actually see when the email was open, and you can see how many times as well. Also, let's not forget the deal area. It's very easy to manage deals in OnePageCRM. You have customized deal stages, and you can see how this deal is moving through the different stages. It's easy to email the quote as well. So if I just open that deal just to see the full details, you see the deal items, the prices, and if you need to react quite quickly and send the quote to the customer, just click on the send quote button, and we will pull all the information from the deal, and just you can quickly submit it to your customer. So we don't only have information that you are working on within the CRM, but at the same time, we want to enable you to pull information from different business apps that you currently use. So let's have a look in Oneflow. To manage your documents, you directly be working on Oneflow, but you also want to ensure that you have visibility of what's happening in the Oneflow within your CRM as well. So you can see that you can have a list of all the contracts or documents that have been submitted to your current client or a lead, and what state are they on. At one click you can actually be brought directly to Oneflow and continue your work in that tool as well. This is a great way of building a really 360 view of all your interactions within CRM and outside of it. In order to enable Oneflow integrations, you have to go to Apps and Integrations and scroll down to Sales Enabled Apps and click on Oneflow. If the integration is not installed, you have to click on the Install button, but you'll be faced with the overview how this integration works. And under configuration, you have to connect your API key, which we clearly explain step by step what needs to be done in the help article that can be accessed from this integration page as well. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's any other questions that you might have, please contact support@OnePageCRM.